Not much to say. Today I will directly reproduce and teach you how to make a fierce lemon golden pineapple that many brands are making. Of course, you have to choose a good tea base to match. Here is a Xiaoya classmate Citric and Oolong to match the making of this tea. Next, I will teach you how to brew the bottom of the tea. Add tea leaves and boiling water into the measuring pot, then fully stir evenly, and then seal and brew for 10 minutes. After brewing, stir the tea leaves before filtering, then filter the tea leaves, add ice cubes and stir evenly for later use. First add pineapple, perfumed lemon and appropriate amount of ice cubes into the shaker. Then pour in our today's protagonist, 4-seasoned spring oolong. This 4-seasoned spring oolong is very soft and full of tea flavor. The product is very full in taste and flavor. It is suitable for making various lemon tea series, fruit tea series and milk tea series. Then add ice cubes and golden syrup, shake it evenly and pour it into the cup. It's simple. If you want to know more about the latest raw material information in the industry, just pay attention to our Xiaoya students. Bye bye, we will see you next time.